Hello everyone and welcome to QuickCAD, and today we will learn how to make a sphere shape in Solidworks. So to do this we required a semicircular sketch in any one of the plane. So I just click on the front plane, go to sketch tab and click on sketch. Then I will select circle command to draw a circle from origin. Then I will go to line command and draw a line from here to here. Then I will select trim entities to trim the other half of the circle. Then as it is underdefined, so we just give some dimension to the semicircular sketch. Let's say 20 mm. Then go to features tab. There is one option called revolve boss base. Click on it, and the axis of revolution, click this as our axis of revolution. See, our sphere is completed. Then press OK. I will just quickly give the some appearances. See how easily we can create this sphere shape in SolidWorks. So thank you for watching the video.